When we are not sure to the exact number, we use the word about. It gives a rough estimation of the numbers. We can also say that the number has been rounded off. We can understood by an example also. When a shopkeeper told to you that it has 22 rupees costing, then we bargain with him to reduce 2 rupees and we want to pay rupees 20. Actually, this is a process of round off. We can understood this concept by two parts. One of them is less than 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 0 to 4 numbers. 1, 2, 0, 4 and 3. Okay. These are equal to or less than 4. Then it will be replaced with 0 without changing the digit at tens place. Once again I am repeating, if it is 4 or less than 4, then replace it with the 0. Our ones place will be replaced by the 0 and the tens place will be the same number. Okay, our number will not be changed. Now for example, if we have number 154 and it should be rounded off to the nearest 10. Okay. For this, since the ones place, this is the ones, this one is tens and this one is 100. Since the ones place is 4, it may be the less than 4 also. Then we will place ones place by the 0 and no change in the tens place. And rest number will be the same. So this number will be 150. To this we can write it by 150 since the digit at the ones place. Okay, this was round off to the nearest 10. What about the concept of nearest 100? When we have, this is the first case. Now I want to tell you the second case. This is the second case of the nearest 100. Now, these were the first case was about the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what should be the when it is more than 4? 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay. These numbers should be equal to 5 or more than 5. If we got these numbers on the units place, then there will be then units place will be replaced by the 0 and add 1 to the digit at the tens place. Tens place will be added 1. Tens place will be added 1 and ones place will be placed as 0. For example, if we got the number 157, it means ones, tens and 100. When we round off to the nearest 10, it should be rounded off nearest 10. Okay. Then because this number is more than 5 case, it means second case. So we will place here 0 and in the tens place it should be plus 1. Then 5 plus 1 it will be 6 and the 100, 1000, 10,000 and other place values will be the same. So 160, since the digit at ones place. Okay. Now the second part, this is the nearest 100. What should we do when question is nearest 100 is? This was your question number 3 and here question number 4. Rounded off the given numbers to the nearest 100. What should be there? Now question number 4, round off the given number to the nearest 100. When we round off nearest 100, then our formula case 1 and case 2 will not be changed. Here will be change of only ones to tens place. Everything will be same. Now for example, if we have number 826, this is 826. And now in this place, if it is 4 or less than 4, then place 0 at the tens and ones place. In this case, there are 2 zeros will be placed, ones and tens place in the case of 4 or less than 4, and here is 2, it is the less than 4. So we will place ones and tens at 0. The digit at the 100 place remain the same. It will remain same. Why? Because it is the first case which has 4 or less than 4 number. So 800, since the digit at the tens place is 2. Same question, same pattern we can follow. If we have 894, this is the case 1 and this one is the case 2. Because we will observe our tens number. This is ones, this is tens and this is 100. This is the tens number is 9. Now this belongs to our second case. It is more than 5 or equal to 5. This is more than 5. Since we will place 0 at the ones place and tens place. Now what about the hundreds place? Here should be 1 plus 8 plus 1 is 9. So 900, since the digit at the tens place is 9. This 9 is we will put here. Now our question number 5, it has only little bit changes beta. This is the question number 5. Now we will revise for the round off nearest 1000. In this case, will be the same pattern followed, case 1 and case 2. But we will consider here hundreds place. In the when we round off nearest 10, then we observe ones place. When we round off nearest 100, then we observe tens place. And when we round off nearest 1000, then we will observe hundreds place. So, for example, number is 7, 4, 3 and 5. This is belongs to our first case. 7, 4, 3, 5. This one is less than or equal to 4. So, we will put 3 zeros, means ones, tens and 100. We will put 3 zeros and no change on the thousands place. So 7000, since the digit at the hundreds place is 4. And second case, if we put 7, 8, 3, 5. What should be in that case? There will also we will put 3 zeros, ones, tens and 100. There are 3 zeros, but there will be 1 plus in the thousands place. Why? Because it is 8. 8 is more than 5, or 8 is considered to the second case, which is 4, 5 or more than 5. So this one is 8. So here we will add 1 in the given number. 7 plus 1 is 8. This is the 8000. Since the digit at the hundred place is 8.